dog speed. What's up, bro? What we getting into today?
66 C10. I'm gonna take it to. My goal is to take this to Good Guys on the 15th.
Good Guys. It's one of the biggest shows in Arizona at the what's the name of that park?
That's in Scottsdale.
Scottsdale. That's where they have Barrett Jackson. Worst worlds. Oh man, this thing's clean. It's like Carolina blue. Well, that's what I'm calling it, Carolina blue.
Well, whatever you want. So, let me shut the door too. The truck is supposed to be from Texas, but after we started tearing into it, it's probably from Houston, Texas, because it's got a lot of rust.
Yeah.
Not the bed. I'm talking about the cab. So that's the reason why you got the cab over there.
Oh man, it's pretty clean cab, man.
Yeah, as long as it's got surface rust on it. The rockers are good, the floors are good, the outer floors are good. And so I'm going to take all that thing and that whole cab and put it on this truck. And then continue doing what we're doing. So this truck's got an LS3 in it.
Oh man.
6L80. A bunch of suspension, disc brakes, tubular upper and lower.
So you got some fuel tank action going on there. It's clean.
So we're going to take that cab and put it on here because we've already done all the suspension work and motor and transmission and all that. So I've got a steel bed floor coming from a 67 to 72 truck that we're going to make work inside of here, so that'll be a little bit different. There's not going to be a wood grade bed in it. We're going to put a new header panel on it, the tailgate for it.
The thing is clean.
Yeah, the bed's
bow tie.
Predominantly done tomorrow afternoon because I got scheduled delivery before noon inside. So this thing will be done tomorrow. Put the tailgate on it, put the bed in it, and then the goal is to get the cab to be at least stripped and ready to come off tonight. But I'd like to have the cab off for the frame tonight. That way tomorrow I can get that cab lined up and put it back in place. So that cab is an original 66 automatic factory AC custom cab. It was like a full option truck type thing.
Oh man, it's top of the line back in 60 something.
And the fact that AC, that was its own thing. So we've still got a bunch of the AC components and everything that came with it. It's just the owner of the truck found it, one of his buddies, and we're gonna make use for it. So ultimately, this truck's gonna be a real dark blue. It's going to be a very metallic dark blue. Probably an off-white, maybe even a cream top. And then the molding down the side is going to have that creamy lay in it as well. Off-white on the sides. We're going to do black interior. And yesterday he decided maybe black's going to be too much, and so we may step back away from the interior, and it may be the same color, maybe an off-white cream color. Maybe even light brown tan for the interior on the truck. So we'll see.
Oh man.
Cruise control AC, 500 horsepower LS3, disc brakes all the way around, suspension all the way around. The truck's been lowered. I think it's 6 and 8 or something, 5 and 8. It's been lowered up. LS3, power rack and pinion steering, power booster, and power brakes, AC. So, came out of a 2012 or 13 Camino Super Sport.
Oh man, this thing is beautiful.
It's dirty right now. Again, suspension and all the rest of it. So, be a fun truck.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Set the cruise control and slide on the road.
Yep, and then dump it when you need to.
Yeah.
That booster here?
Yep. Yes, sir.
clean 4-link. Where did he get this from?
What's that?
The 4-link?
2-link.
2-link, my bad.
2-link. So it's got a panhard bar and a track bar that runs behind the axle right here. And then those 2 bars. And it all came from CPP.
CPP.
So it's just factory replacement stuff. And then the rear axle is out of a 2002, 2003 Silverado. So it's got disc brakes on it. So I cut all the original mounting hardware off for the trailing arms. Track bar mount. Cut it off the original there and then put them on here.
Nice.
Cross member arms, different rear end, all that stuff's all different. And then aluminum tank, 20, 15, 20 gallons, 18 gallons, I don't know what it is. So. Yep.
Word.
We'll get the cab off. You can see the rust down there in the bottom.
Yeah. So the rust he was talking about.
And the floors and seams come together.
Yeah. Years and gears, man.
Yep.
Oh man, it's bad over there.
Yeah.
Oh man. That's what restoring vehicles is all about.
And work scissors up here in the brick row.
Oh man.
They fill it
Yeah.
with caulking.
All the
And
water just sitting.
just gets inside the cab.
Yeah.
So up here in the cowling, air box. We're going to replace all this and get rid of it. New cab on it. And transfer everything, the brakes, the steering column, the AC. And we'll get all this stuff prepared, get all this stuff taken off tonight. And hopefully get the cab mounts loose, get the bolts out of it, get this thing ready to come off. If I can get it off tonight, cool. If not, then I'll go tomorrow. And I've got, what is today?
Monday.
The 5th?
Yeah.
I've got 10 days to put this truck together.
10 days.
Get it wired, get it running, get it tuned, and then drive it to Scottsdale.
Somehow, some way, I'm gonna follow that. Make installments. I don't know.
So hopefully it's hopefully it works, hopefully it runs, hopefully it just goes down the road. I need to have it aligned. I gotta build the exhaust. I gotta put the drive shaft in it. Put it all together. So 10 days. From where it
10
sits
days.
right now. Not even where it sits right now. I gotta pull the cab off of it.
Jesus.
And put the cab back on it and then bolt everything together.
This one gonna put the epic suspense music. Dun dun dun.
From harsh, frigid mountainous terrains to desolate islands baked in the scorching sun.
It's gonna be a long 10 days.
Survivor Man, 10 days.
Can it be done in 10 days?
So, other than screwing a bunch of stuff together, it should all be, that should be the extent of it. I have to finish the transmission mount, but all it is the tabs that go into the frame so it can unbolt the transmission mount, take it on and take it off. And I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do about accessory drive, pulley mount action, because the power, the rack and pinion is in the way.
Yeah.
That's where the alternator is set.
Oh.
It doesn't sit there anymore.